Today in this video, we'll be guiding you on how to log in into your Bybit account. Bybit is a platform that allows users to trade cryptocurrencies. To get started, open the Bybit app in your phone. On the main screen, you'll find the sign up and login option on the right hand side. Go ahead and tap on that. Now you can choose to log in either your email or phone number. If you prefer using your phone, select the mobile number option at the top. If you signed up using Google, there's a Google login option available at the bottom as well. And for this demo, we'll be using Gmail. Once you've entered your login details, tap on login. You'll then go through a quick verification process. After completing the verification, you'll be logged in into your Bybit account. To confirm, you can tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. There you'll see a Bybit account and user ID, confirming that you have successfully logged in. And that's how you can log into your Bybit account. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.